Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
Wazzy woozy! We're all invited to a Halloween costume party tonight. I'm so excited!
I hope the weather gets worse. I've got a bad reputation to keep up, and I want everything at my big costume party tonight to be totally horrible.
Nobody does horrible like you, Mr. Crab. But if you don't mind my saying, your crabbiness, sir, I thought you hated parties.
I do, except for Halloween ones. The one day of the year to celebrate spookiness, scariness, and spine-chilling terror.
Boy, I can't wait for you guys to see my super cool surprise costume. Everybody all set?
You bet! How about you, Harry?
Couldn't be sadder.
Okay, on 3, we all step out together. 1 and 2 and 3! Ta-da! Huh? Okay, everybody. Change costumes.
1, 2, and 3.
What the?
1, 2, and 3.
Ah! Okay, if somebody doesn't do something, we could all be at this till next Halloween.
Okay, Hemi. Since I know you want to come with me to the big scary Halloween costume party tonight, I'm gonna help by temporarily turning you into the biggest, scariest monster around. Not quite the result I was hoping for.
Okay, more skeletons and cobwebs over there. Doesn't anybody around here but me know how to make a place look totally horrible? And would somebody give me a hand with these glasses?
Sure. Did I startle you, sir?
What?
I said.
Did I startle you, sir?
Remind me to fire you in the morning.
I'll make a note of it, your supreme imperial crabbiness.
Okay, let's hope for a little variety this time. 1, 2, and 3! Phew! You know, maybe all these costume changes would have been worth it if I finally win that Best Costume Award I've always dreamed of.
Best Costume Award. Ow! Excuse me, sir.
Are you having trouble seeing with that costume on, Harry?
What in the world gave you that silly idea? Ow! Excuse me again, sir.
This time I've made all the perfect adjustments, so fasten your seatbelt, Hammy! You're about to become the biggest, scariest monster ever! Maybe my parents were right. Maybe I should have just become a supermodel. No offense, sweetie, but you still look, well, totally cute and cuddly. In other words, absolutely yuck.
Okay, gang, party time! The door's this way, Harry. After you.
No, after you.
No, I insist. After you.
Oh,
all right.
Well, this is certainly off to a great start. By the way, did anybody remember to bring the party invitation?
Yep, I've got it right here with me.
Great! So, where were we?
So, how do I look?
Very nice, your extreme crabbiness, sir. I mean, very unnice, your imperial extra-strength crabbiosity. In fact, you look awful, sir.
That's better. Thanks.
I'm off to the party, Hemi. Sorry I can't bring you with me, but no offence, you're just not big and ugly and terrifyingly scary enough. Better luck next time.
Talk about a lousy party. Everybody looks like they're actually having fun. I wish something would happen to change things.
Whoa! As unforgettable entrances go, I can think of better ones. Still, on the plus side, the fruit punch is delicious.
Cool move, Gummy! He's always the life of any party.
Excuse me, ma'am. Have we met before?
Hey, kids! Great party, isn't it?
Well, maybe it could be. But from the looks of things to me, it could sure use a gummy pick-me-up.
There's a monster on the loose. He's out to get you. There is no place to hide. He's gonna catch you. He is 7 feet tall. He is busting through walls. He is growling. He's green. He's mean. He's a regular scream when he's scowling. There's a hamster on the loose. He's out to get you. There is no place to hide. He's gonna catch you.
There's never a good catastrophe around when you need one.
Hey, nice costume, fella. Very realistic.
Finally, things are starting to pick up. Okay, everybody, time for the worst costume competition. And first prize goes to you! And now let's have a look at who the real winner is, hiding behind that super scary, cheesy monster costume. Oh my gosh, this costume won't come off. This costume isn't a costume! Oh my gosh, it's a real monster! Help!
I don't know why they're all running away from him. I think he's kind of cute.
Cute?
And if you ask me, he isn't trying to be scary. Maybe it's just his way of saying he wants to join in the fun and dancing. And if so, then hey, why shouldn't he? So what do you say, pal? Ready to show us what moves you've got? Well, we didn't win Best Costume, but something tells me we'll still remember this party for a long, long time.
Happy Halloween, everybody!
Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
Ninja! Kitty Ninja!
Holla! Holla! Hey, holla!
Those ninjas, you can never find them when you want them.
Oh, Flabba Dabba, but I heard her.
Great stealth attack, Kala.
Get off of my tail! Oh, my poor palpitating glands. Why did you do that?
I'm in training
For what? Scaring milk out of cows?
for a ninja test. I have to master stealth, taking targets by surprise.
Like this?
Ugh.
Super stealth.
Gummy?
Don't be scared. It's me right here.
We can see.
Behind the blocks.
Ugh.
Amazing, Gummy, but I have to practice for my test.
Caribou! We'll help. You can surprise us.
I'm swift. I'm deadly. I've got cute whiskers, and you won't see me coming.
Oh, my tail has a bad feeling about this.
Don't worry, Tail. It'll be fine. It's gummy time!
It's a great summer, never-ending summer. Don't wanna be alone again. This time, here we are, standing side by side like a superstar. It's a great summer, never-ending summer. Don't wanna be alone again. This time, here we are, standing side by side like a superstar. It's a great summer, never-ending summer. Don't wanna be alone again. This time, here we are, standing side by side like a superstar. It's a great summer.
Another stealth success. Hello? Yeah, this is Kala. See you real soon, guys.
Boingo, 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 boingo! Do you think she went out? She said see you soon.
No, she said see you real soon. Like in 5 seconds. Jumping out of here. Or maybe that phone call was fake to catch us off guard. Oh, these ninjas are so sneaky.
Flobadub. Don't get your tail in a twist.
What's that? Is that her?
Wait!
Sorry, it's just my computer.
What? Wait!
I can't stand it! Where is she? We need to make a trap. I've set up this tripwire. I hope it works when Kala triggers it.
Triggers it how? Like this?
Oh.
Hey, your trap worked.
Oh. Maybe we should hunker in a bunker.
Hunker? In a bunker? It's quiet out there. Too quiet.
Oh, what is she waiting for? Come on, attack if you're gonna. Oh, she'll come screaming out of nowhere. We can't win this. She'll just keep coming.
Don't get your tail in a twist.
And you're shaking me.
Wait! Whoa! Gum! Let's find her first. Whoa! Where is she? Where is she? Under here? In here?
Oh.
Gummy Ninja! Gotcha!
Ah! Chameleon tail, not cat tail. Oh. I don't think I can hold.
She really is a stealthy ninja.
Wait, she's so stealthy. Maybe she's disguised herself as you!
Ow!
Come out of there, Kala!
I'm Gummy. You're Kala.
Hey guys, I'm back! Guys?
She was away all the time?
nice moves! I went away to do my test, and I won this! Thanks for helping me train. I can see you guys have also been training.
Training?
Yeah. It's not that we went crazy and wrecked the apartment. No, we were training.
I'll help clean up. But first, let's celebrate!
It's gummy time!
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
I don't know why, but I woke up this morning feeling happy with a capital HAP and a great big E. Good morning, table. Good morning, chairs. Good morning, bowl of cereal and cute little strawberries.
You say good morning to the strawberries, but not to me?
And the biggest good morning of all to you, Harry.
Same to you, little green buddy. I don't know why, but I also woke up feeling...
Fantabulous? Spectacularrific? Scrumdiliciously fabuloso?
To put it mildly.
Hey, let's find Kala and all have a super fantasmazing outing together.
Sounds great, Gummy. I'll go get her while you round up whatever stuff we'll need for the outing. Deal?
Deal!
Well, hey! Hey, Kala. Boy, what a great day. Gummy and I thought we should all get together and have an amazing, super cool time.
Whatever.
So you're up for whatever? Well, fabulous, because so are we.
Actually, it sounds kind of boring.
Boring? We could all sing, or dance, or play Twister, or Tiddlywinks, or Dungeons and Dragonflies, or go on an awesome picnic. But whatever we do, I guarantee it's gonna be fantastic!
Been there, done that, got the t-shirt. Boring.
Boy, I'm excited about doing something super fun with Harry and Kala today. In fact, I'm so excited that I can't think of what to do. How about camping? Camping? Wow! What a fantastic idea! Thanks!
You're welcome.
Well, Missy, I've got the perfect cure for that.
Ugh, whatever. Boring, and...
Let me guess. Boring.
Look, Harry, you and Gummy just go on without me, because no offense, but whatever you wind up doing will be...
Oh, I know. Boring.
If I'm gonna keep doing this, I suppose I really should get a watch. I wonder what's keeping Granny Peters. I better go check. Okay, who's ready to hit the campground and have some fun?
Boring.
Yikes, it's spreading. This is even worse than I thought. Sure, when you're bored, it feels like everything anybody suggests is boring, but trust me, it only seems that way. So, gang, what do you say we shake off that boredom and all head out for a fantastic camping outing? Doesn't that sound like fun?
No, it doesn't sound like fun. Actually, it sounds
Boring.
Okay, if you won't remember how much fun having fun is, then I'll have to remember it for you.
I've seen it, I've done it, I tried it, I don't want it. I've seen it, I've done it, please just leave me be. I'm too poop to pop, 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 I'm too tired to play. I'm too bored, so stop, stop, stop. What else can I say? Every
guys are too bored to go camping with me, then you leave me no choice but to camp right here with you. I'll just set up my super relaxing hammock first. Ow! Okay, minor setback. But a true camper just laughs off. Minor setbacks, since, like that great outdoorsman Daniel Boombox, or was it Davy Crackpot once said? Ow! Well, actually, I'm not sure exactly what either of them said, at least about hammocks that won't stay up, but... But I'm sure it must have been pretty outdoorsy and inspiring. Ta-da! Okay, scratch that last ta-da, at least temporarily. Okay, I'll skip the ta-da just in case. But I hope you guys are watching closely. Because I'm demonstrating that when it comes to overcoming the boards and having fun, it's all just a question of having the right attitude. Okay, to the hammock, we'll now add a comfortable pillow. And on the cute little green bear, we'll spray a little spray to keep away those pesky, not-so-cute mosquitoes. And last but not least, nice cool breeze. Okay, let's go with a little less cool breeze. Yikes! Where's the cool breeze setting on this? Whoa! Hello! I said a cool breeze, not a hurricane!
Enough! Oh, you've convinced us!
We're all ready to head off with you now. It'll be an amazing, fantastic, wonderful time.
Boring. On second thought, you bet!
Ow!
Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
Oh, I've told you I don't like surprises. They're bad for my stomach.
Guess what?
Do I have to?
A puppy followed me home.
Yeah, right. A puppy?
Ta-da! It's a puppy, dude.
I know I'm no expert on animals, but isn't that a goat?
I present Wow Wow, the happy puppy.
But it smells like a goat, and has horns, and a goatee beard.
And he can dance. Wanna see?
I'm not sure I...
Of course you do. Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and shh, drop them out. Yay!
Oh, my tail doesn't like this. Are you sure he doesn't miss his family? Was no one looking for him?
I've always wanted a puppy.
But it's a big responsibility, not to mention the extra therapy I'll need. Do you see what he's doing? He's chewing everything!
Isn't it cute?
Ow! Ow! Well, what did I do to deserve this?
Woochie poochie coo. Isn't he's smart. Most puppies can't use computers. You win the game, Wow Wow. Wow Wow? Hey, my puppy can climb buildings.
Okay, Mr. Dummy. The loser of this fight cleans my kitty tray. Kitty Stealth assassin, eh? I'm ready for you.
Wow Wow! He's so good at climbing. Such a clever puppy.
Puppy? 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 I hate dogs! Hang on a second. Your dog speaks fluent goat.
I told you he was clever. Hey, Wow Wow, wanna play in the park? See? Wagging tail. It's gummy time!
I love my puppy and my puppy loves me. We are the bestest buddies. He even sings with me. He's got some crazy dance moves. He shakes from side to side. He's got some crazy dance moves. He shakes from side to side. He shakes from side to side.
Wow Wow, wait! Gum Gum Gum!
Not so fast! Oh, this is chameleon abuse!
Wow Wow! Bah! Bah! Ooh! Looky woo! He climbs as well as a goat.
That's because he's...
A super talented puppy. I know. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba.
Kitty Ninja!
Gummy, I'm not so good with heights.
Oh, you're not?
No.
Let's go down it. Better now? Great. Now where's Wow Wow?
What are those?
Cool. He's left a trail of raisins for us to follow.
I don't think those are raisins.
This way! What's he listening to? Wow Wow, you have a family? Amaza Craza Wowie! You know you can visit us whenever you like. And always remember that special thing I told you. Ba ba ba, ba ba ba, ba ba ba, ba ba ba. I don't think those other animals are puppies.
Now he gets it.
I think Wow Wow is adopted.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
Good morning, Gump.
Harry, watch out! The floor! It's slippery.
Yikes! It's freezing in here. Is Carla up yet?
Morning, Harry.
Carla, watch out! The floor! Is slippery.
Oh, thanks, Harry.
Okay, I'll admit we seem to have a minor heating challenge. All right, a major heating challenge. Either way, step 1 is to identify the problem, and fortunately, I have.
So have I. Global
A
warming.
broken furnace.
Maybe we should check outside first to see if the problem is the same everywhere?
OMG, what if it's worse out there?
Look, let's just try and figure out why Gummy's place is freezing.
True, but while doing that, you've got to admit, it is pretty cool to have our very own indoor winter wonderland in here.
Enough of this foolishness. We've got a problem to solve.
Okay, I've taken the liberty of making a few simple calculations.
Simple calculations? Look, guys, I really think we should first check outside.
Haven't you been listening, Gummy? It could be worse out there.
Maybe even worse than worse. And trust me, that's not good.
Okay, if you two are so determined to argue, at least I can keep you a bit warmer while you do. Okay.
It's quite obvious that the thermocouple was angled, which would allow it to work.
Climate change. Because sometimes people find the weather colder
Failure of the part because of the
and
angle.
draw the ridiculous conclusion.
Which is far too hot for a Series 5 dual bevel 437E thermocouple, which this clearly is!
Hey! The key to keeping warm while you try and figure this out is to keep active, right? So, if you've absolutely got to argue, at least do it to a beat. You're wrong. You're wrong. And I'll prove it before long. Your solution's like totally absurd. Get your knife and fork, gonna make you eat them words. You're wrong. I'll prove it before long. Cause you're both wrong. Wrong. Absolutely, positively, really, truly, really, truly wrong.
Look, this is getting us nowhere. We've got to get busy working out the details of my...
Yep, my solution, since you're obviously too stubborn to...
Does anybody have a remote control to mute these two?
Now forget it.
The best way for everybody to keep warm is pretend that the cold just doesn't exist.
Ice Gummy. It's freezing inside. The floor's a sheet of ice. What happened last night? Has winter come early? I can't feel my toes. My buns do feel frosty, and I got a red nose. Ice Gummy in my own living room, sleeping and sliding the baby doll room. Flat on my butt and flat on my face, sledding and skating. There's a time and a place. Ice Gummy. Ice Gummy. Ice Gummy. Ice Gummy.
It's such a wonderful warm day at the beach. Why are we freezing our buns off?
Hey, I realize things aren't perfect, but sometimes life is a question of making the best out of what you're given. Huh, I mean, why? When you can. Either way, I still really think we should check outside to see if the problem's everywhere or not.
All right. But just to turn off the broken record. No, it wasn't a broken furnace.
It wasn't global warming.
If you eliminate the impossible, then what's left must be true, no matter how improbable. Right, Gummy?
Huh? I mean, absolutely. I just remembered something. When I was dreaming last night of the heat wave in the Sahara, while I was testing out my new Parker and thermal long johns, I may have kind of slightly, perhaps possibly got up and, while sleepwalking, maybe we should all head out while we're waiting for my place to heat back up.
Sounds like a plan.
Careful, that floor might still be slippery.